Welcome to Lesson Functions and Modules. In this lesson, we will explore the fundamental concepts of functions and modules in programming. Functions and modules play a crucial role in organizing and structuring code, promoting code reuse, and improving the overall efficiency of our programs. Let's dive in. Introduction to functions. Functions are self-contained blocks of code that perform a specific task. They take inputs, known as parameters or arguments, and produce outputs based on those inputs. Functions encapsulate a set of instructions that can be called or invoked from different parts of the program. They provide a way to break down complex problems into smaller, manageable tasks. Function declaration, parameters, and return values. When declaring a function, we specify its name, parameters, and return type. Parameters are variables that hold values passed to the function when it is called. They allow us to customize the behavior of the function based on different inputs. Return values are the results or output produced by the function after performing its operations. They allow functions to communicate and pass data back to the calling code. Modular programming and code reuse. Modular programming is a software design technique that emphasizes breaking down a program into modular components or modules. Each module focuses on a specific functionality or task. Modules can be developed independently and then combined to form a complete program. This approach promotes code reuse, as modules can be reused in different projects or parts of the same project. It also enhances code maintainability and readability. Creating and using modules. In programming, modules are separate files or units of code that contain related functions, variables, and classes. They provide a way to organize code into logical units, making it easier to manage and maintain. Modules can be created by defining functions and classes within a separate file, and then importing them into other parts of the program. This allows us to access the functions and variables defined in the modules and use them in our code. Congratulations, you've gained insights into the world of functions and modules. In this chapter, we explored the importance of functions as self-contained blocks of code that perform specific tasks, the declaration of functions with parameters and return values, the benefits of modular programming for code organization and reuse, and the creation and usage of modules in our programs. Functions and modules are powerful tools that help us write clean, modular, and reusable code. By leveraging these concepts, we can improve the structure, efficiency, and maintainability of our programs. Keep practicing and exploring the vast possibilities of functions and modules in your programming journey. Thank you for joining us in this chapter. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content and updates on future lectures.